Hello, my name is Donovan Smith, and I'm an artist from Chicago. Today I'm going to be drawing Spider-Man. Yesterday, the PlayStation company revealed their new system and a new Spider-Man game, which is Spider-Man Miles Morales. I don't know if it's a new game or DLC, so you can't quote me on that, but I'm going to be drawing the game cover either way because I want to, and I'm excited. I'm just gonna go do it. I'm gonna go do it. I'm gonna draw now. Okay, so the drawing's done. I really like how it came out. I'm just now going to add the overlays for making the actual game cover. And yeah, I'll show you when it's done. Also, I feel like I should say that no, I'm not affiliated with PlayStation or Insomnia Games, and this was just me doing this on my own for fun. But yeah, let's get into it for real this time. Okay, so I wanted to explain a little bit about it. I decided to make the environment on the rooftop with snow, and the neon lights are from the enemies that you fight in the game that they showed off in the trailer. So I had the pink and blue lights reflecting off of the suit and off the snow. And I used basically just the PlayStation 4 cover to switch the blue to white and white to black, because that's how the console is looking. Zoom. So yeah, I really like how this turned out. I don't know what I'm doing next week, but I'll see you. Well, I won't see you, but you'll see me. So